from 12 everything kosi 18 for no relegation is possible because the possible 3 points now 3 matches now can possible 9 points now can if the RTU see obinani na that means on obina 40 points say bafo susu obinani nya obeko 42 points enti relegation we mo bi it is a house of folks who only serious
but when him say che when him say RTU ever one outstanding match
only dreams
Olympics so one outstanding match
dreams and actually we are dreams so that dreams that just ahead of Olympics any before just above the relegation zone into those 2 matches when you so say dreams and train mom into Olympics crash and for 4 matches I cannot be ball out to you sans for 4 matches I cannot be ball has folk about the matches in area I can't folk 3 matches or 38 points Olympics or 36 points but Olympics no at the relegation zone the possibility has folk go relegation in case abu blue way and so say blue we are okay and my dear tell say in football start and figures
okay
Mr. Amo etefo me nkodi edro bia
so kind
start no any e hwe any hu so bibi betumi esi
okay say ebeye 1-1 and 2-0 because of stats now the 2 jana o hwe the differences are that in terms of omo position omo points and in nema bi no
nti no 2-0 no aba so
okay
na second half no Kotoko for ana Kotoko fans a makasati ogum no afa ne tactics no ebia ne suban media akasa etia me de me no problem wona waka but we Kotoko fan na you've ever spoken against ogum tactics I think they will say ende one kasa bibia otena kan asem no ankasa tena ho na sere bone fache ginti American san say obi the tactics sure also the taxes are showing then to make us in the first half you ogumana obo on counter or rely on the counter and an obo and a boa ni pa again in the second half no obi bisa say na ball na has for who ba so yi pa has who ba so in the early embers of the game omo yes 3 changes no because that 3 changes no e boa ma has folk e benya more numbers in the opposition third rather than say first no more numbers in the midfield no obinya more numbers in the opposition third in the sense say okay say me catch say o say oyema glade nko ejina as the pivot na opushi bob carriers equaling nti no dey salim ba ya has of obinya more numbers and has more ball carriers in the opposition third it na has of honam na say on monday more elsoro nti e hon e na ogum e realize say o so onya obia obesti in front of just the pivot now obono also onya obi obe a destructive midfielder and I say obstructive midfielder in football you can say obstructive midfielder obi a wahihye wo game na ono de as all say no yan kan say you can all say tactics and I say bibisa
okay
it no he needed to bring someone obetumi asa and again na also odi obi a obetumi air rounds no our flanks for no mama because as we realize they say they are using the counter to know omo try so make pin zeze tina zeze into me na ball no bi nti he needed someone na obetumi akari ball na ebebo ani so what did he have to do or say odi obi a say na mekan no odi ball carrier edebim it only is as a film no this one abem eni obi o hwe bibia hu say na somwa e carry ball no on the flanks because as of folk actually midfield no in the second half into no he needed someone on the ball no ebefa flanks okay say yachi as of folk actually midfield na the ball ebefa flanks what happens next I need to bring another player or no bet me amada PSN passes in the name of Chi it mami baba ya yan film na me fa Chimbra brilliant tactics from Ogum on a part of us of folk I think say and then Watara a mistake back on in the sense that now say kakari change na bantem because you needed the player be able to meet the boss no higher runs anymore and kakari a player be otumi kuta ball ne the ball ne dwane nti be in that position no team are all rely and also all low block no you need a player with me a carry ball no but as a that change no a delay Emma Nyoma anko ya mfama Hasselhoff again Hasselhoff defenders no and why mimiti hey and why ball ne yabo bida no kure ne say minim denti a modern day football as a center back you allow player or pace to be between you both the center backs no why not one tell me I love man marking no during my playing days no say me boy chile na me no never center back player never afa no me ba me fa no that's what I know say eboa but if you are going for the zonal marking and I say uja player and so me shame finfini o pace sim one and Hasselhoff defenders no obi a o pace si anu pra o say si be pra so Agbeshima and Thomas Winini there was someone who said okay player no pace so we are not going to give him that chance Mukwela menka the last time player about the super clash you know how they encore stadium
maminko tie coaches no my tie first Coach Prosper Nate Ogum after the game.
It's not an easy job, so I'm happy. I think it's an honor for this group of players. It's been a while since I think this thing happened. I'm not very sure of when this actually happened, but it's been a while, so we are all happy. And you could see when the final whistle was blown, and I think Steve made it so beautiful.
I spoke to you about Steve before the game, and you told me that you had already spoken to him about the enormity of the task ahead. He duly delivered, and you must be a proud man.
Yes, as I said before the game, I engaged him, and I think he has lived up to the task. And it's good. It's good for us. I'm even short of words.
Now walk me through the game. You scored both goals in both halves. You managed the game well. You weren't dominated. How did you do this one?
Yeah, I think before the game I told you the team with a good defensive structure and good discipline will be able to carry the day. So observing them play most of their matches, we realized that we need to contain them and then catch them on the break. And if you look at the first goal, that was exactly what happened. Even the ball that hit the upright, it was the same. And even the third goal too is the same. So I think we kept our shape very well. We glided and shifted based on where the ball was, and we made sure that we're always behind the ball and side of the ball. We didn't try to rush the game, but we tried to cool the game and then connect those short passes, and whenever it was possible, play the long ball behind the defense, and I think it worked very well.
It's a result that will obviously lift you up on the league log, and you have 3 more games to end the season. How would you want to end the season's Premier League?
I think on a very good note, like we ended this game. There's no motivation than this. Beating Hasselhoff of all teams is enough motivation for the players to know that the 3 games left, they need to work harder than they have worked today, so that we position ourselves very well on the league log.
You did your best as a technical man to do the selection and the tactics and everything. The players went on to execute your tactics, but these fans were your number 12 man.
They were amazing today. They were very supportive. They were always behind us anytime we had the ball, and anytime we did not have the ball, I realized that they were calm. The usual ranting, we didn't experience it today, and I would like to use this opportunity to thank them. They should always be patient with us. Anytime we are playing at home, they should support us. Even if the going is very tough, they should stay calm and support us. That is the only way that these players will have the confidence, the determination, and the desire to play to win.
Congratulations and enjoy your win.
Thank you, Nana. I'm grateful.
Coach, what went wrong for your side today? Another defeat here after losing at home to Adriana.
Well, that's the reality of the football. When you can't score, you can't play well, don't play at taking the chances. Kotoko have a good side today. I congratulate them. We have played badly once again.
The other day when you lost to Adriana, you were furious with your players. You thought that some of them didn't live up to expectation. They didn't play to your instructions. What do you have to say about this one?
We lost the game. We didn't play well. Kotoko take his chance. We lost. I don't want to say anything about anybody. I have a time to talk with the boys and everybody and myself.
Do you feel that you could have at least gotten a draw from this game, or you think Kotoko deserved to be winners?
No, we the faces of the match. When the match started, right, Kotoko deserved to win. But before the match, I have another match. But today,
is Coach Ouattara under pressure at this point in the Premier League?
me personally,
Yes.
no.
Why?
I'm not in
But you're the coach.
pressure. We are not in the pressure. The team, we are under pressure. Don't take me alone. Take the, what do you call, all the team. We are under pressure because we need a point to survive. I tell you the last time.
Kotoko is a big club. Many people do not associate relegation with the club, but as you continue to lose games, it's becoming very obvious that you need to back up. What do you intend to do with the 3 remaining games?
The 3 remaining games, we need the points. We don't have any choice. We need the points. And to get the points, we must score. And to score, play simple game. It's simple.
Sorry about your defeat, and we wish you a safe journey back to Accra.
Thank you, my brother.
Hi, Steve.
Hey.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You won the game for Asante Kotoko. How do you feel now?
I feel so delighted. Winning at Babayara, how it means, and again it has spoke the rivals. So I'm really happy. I know the fans are also happy. Plus the player and the technical team. We're all proud of them.
When the ball was floated to you, you are 2 other defenders in between. You were able to step forward and hit the ball at the back of the net. How did you do that?
Yeah, that was the tactical approach. They were defending me two players, so I have to distance myself from them. So I didn't know where the position I am, and whenever the ball goes behind the defenders and they're chasing it, then it's a plus for a striker.
Let's go again to the second goal. When someone gave you the ball, you were racing towards the goalpost. You did a shimmy. The defender came and fell down, and you played the ball at the far corner. How about that one?
That one is, it was just an instinct. It was just an instinct. I saw him coming full out, so I had to reduce on my speed. So that's how I scored.
And what does this win do to the playing body, especially after losing to Brecum Chelsea the other day in Brecum?
Yeah, it was not a good result for us. We're in a bad position, but we take it in a good heart. So this is the way we had to repay to our fans.
And this is a message to your national team coach in Uganda. You just got a call up to represent the Cranes at the World Cup qualifiers. It's a bold statement you've made today.
Yeah, I'm always so delighted, to be called on the national team. So, yeah, it's a big plus to me.
Your friend Amankuna scored today. He scored twice. He's gone on 15. You scored twice today. You go 14. Will you win the Gold King title?
Yeah, it's a tough race. He's also in good shape. But I believe at the end of the season, the best player will take the boot.
Congratulations and good luck.
Thank you.
Enti yako kumase ene yako tie both coaches Prosper Nate Ogum ene coach Ouattara. So MVP man of the match Steven Desi Mukwala so Ekasaye. Raul na wano gusu ansana yeko akwa tie coaches neno.
Yeah.
MVP player.
Yeah, and yeah, can't agree. But when the last time a player scored 4 in 2 in this game, because first leg I chef 2, second leg I chef 2. So a plus Edema Mukwela. No one does a winner call up into the Uganda national team. A plus Edemano. But the saddest aspect is say Namiwa next season only who are to me academy. Sometimes I will say you keep such players senior on maybe if you have squad next season if you need additional. But hey, football they be able to see. Again, how to talk about 2 matches? Last week and this week. Last week we lose 1-0. This week we lose 2-0. And my who say 2 matches in your house of working more shot on target here. Are you going to blame the coach or we are going to blame the players? Andrew Ameka say a coach will give you the pattern. Say born fafa say. Crazy chance in fafa say. but for you to score no coach ni ni ho be catch yourself fa ball no to net man asese. That's why you call yourself a professional player. Has to folk team we it's not the same team and as the same boa watara buy no and no more. Yes, they are creating the chances all right, but to score the goal no any problem. What is the problem with us folk? Watara buy no is it send a new coach into the players were playing to get a starting lineup and I say get into the starting lineup and I say coach any taxes in a boy. So what has changed right now? So for me, better luck to Kotoko. Better luck to House of Folk next time. But congratulations to Kotoko. Niambo Mabaso. And Niambo Ogumabaso ye taxes in the far. Nafa. Who steady opponent now say in your man koye mano. Now say counter na weba unya but counter. It's not how beautiful you win. What matters is the 3 points.
What matters is the 3